Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once the content is open and visible, from there all you need to do is press and hold the power key and volume down at the same time. So there we go. I'm gonna do one more just so you can see me press them. There we go. You can see we have a couple options like share, edit. After a moment this pop-up disappears and the screenshot itself can be found in our photo gallery. So let me quickly find mine. Oh, there we go, gallery. Select allow. So as you can see, there are the moments, I guess, which is just I assume the entire gallery of every photo and everything that you have on your tablet. So there are only two things on it right now, which is the two screenshots. Now you can also navigate into albums, and then here you will see a new album called Screenshots, which contains only the screenshots that I have captured. Now to contain all of them that I have captured over the time, so they can be all located in here. So you can see there the two screenshots are. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.